There are new numbers tonight showing us that 305,000 people so far have been vaccinated by the Metro's hospitals. That's on both sides of the river. News 4's Alexis Zotos is at Barnes Jewish tonight. And Alexis, you're learning about vaccination changes by some of the hospitals.
Well, Sam, we are less than 2 weeks away from Missouri moving into the next tier of this vaccine rollout. That's going to open up thousands for the vaccine, teachers, grocery store workers, other essential workers. But we do know tonight that some of the hospital systems have said that they are going to continue focusing on the current tiers, especially the elderly, before moving on. However, some area health departments, as well as Mercy Hospital, tells us they will be vaccinating anyone who is eligible.
If you're going to come out with tiers and priority, then let's stick with it, because what happens to us then if we get thrown into the big lottery and it just puts us farther behind?
Joanne and James Martin in Shrewsbury are still waiting to get a vaccine appointment.
I would like to get it today. I mean, let's be honest.
New numbers from the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force shows around 800,000 people have signed up on all the hospital waiting lists in the St. Louis Metro. Now, that does include duplicates, as people are encouraged to sign up at multiple places. Slowly but surely, hospitals are making their way down the list.
So we're seeing anywhere between 850 and 1,000 a day.
Mercy Hospital is vaccinating those 65 and up, as well as those with qualifying health conditions. When the next tier opens on March 15th, they are planning to open it up to all those that are eligible.
Currently, there's a lot of planning going on.
So much depends on supply. The 4 St. Louis area hospital systems got 21,000 doses this week, more than any other part of the state. But as frustration continues over unused vaccines in rural areas, we continue to ask Governor Mike Parson when more is coming to the urban areas where demand is so high.
But now when we get March the 15th, then we're going to open it up to different levels. So you'll see more pharmacies, more healthcare centers, FQHCs, and then you will probably see a true, what I would call, mass vaccine in Kansas City and St. Louis. We'll probably send the guard up here. And for example, maybe we go to Arrowhead and we go up there and we set up a site. We do 6,000 vaccines a day, especially with the Johnson & Johnson.
So you heard the governor there say Arrowhead Stadium. That's, of course, where the Chiefs play in Kansas City. We have asked here in the St. Louis area whether conversations have been had with the Dome and the Enterprise Center. And we have been told by the mayor's office that those conversations have taken place, but it all depends on if and when that vaccine supply gets to the St. Louis area. Of course, Corey, we will continue to follow up when it does.
Alexis Zotos live for us in the Central West End tonight. Thank you.